Welcome to Gas Central and Underfloor Heating. This bite-sized course has been designed for you to follow the practical examples of boiler controls and wiring. This will aid your smarter homes learner journey and equip you with the tools to advise customers and install systems. This course has been designed to help you to understand the different components of gas central heating systems and the wiring requirements of S and Y plan arrangements. We will look at wet and electric underfloor heating and how it is installed, and we will highlight some of the features of smart thermostats. You may also want to consider the inspection and testing module as well as the Smarter Homes module. After completing this course, you'll have a clearer understanding of how heating systems work and the wiring involved, and how they can be controlled via smart thermostats. This course has been produced to facilitate your learner journey towards continuing professional development and will steer you through to additional courses here at JTL. Whenever and wherever you are, this course has been designed with you in mind to make accessibility as easy as possible. This, alongside every course, can be accessed on your mobile, tablet and desktop. There are additional courses for your continuing professional development, and for more information please click on the relevant links and do sign up for the next suitable JTL course for you. You can come back here anytime with your unique access should you need future reference points. You can like and subscribe through our various social channels and share the content amongst your community of electricians. We hope you enjoy this course and look forward to seeing you again for future online CPD courses.